Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class.
Student, I hope you are doing well. So in the previous lecture we studied water pollution. Today we are going to study sources of water pollution. Now let's discuss and details. Sources of water pollution. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances enter water bodies such as rivers, lakes, and oceans. These sources are mainly divided into first one natural sources, second one human-made and anthropogenic sources. Now let's discuss both and details one by one. First one, natural sources of water pollution. Natural sources occurs without human involvement. First one, soil erosion. Second one, decay of organic matter. Third one, volcanic activities. Now let's discuss all the natural sources of water pollution one by one and details. First one, soil erosion. Rainwater washes soil into rivers and lakes, increases turbidity in cloudiness of water. Second one, decay of organic matter. Dead plants and animals decompose, release gases and organic substances into water. Third one, volcanic activities. Volcanoes release ash, dust, and gases. These substances mix with water and pollute it. Now the second one, human-made sources. Human activities are the main cause of water pollution. First one, industrial waste. Second one, sewage and wastewater. Third one, agricultural runoff. Fourth one, oil spills. Fifth one, dumping of garbage. Sixth one, thermal pollution. Now let's discuss all of these one by one and details. First one, industrial waste. Factories release harmful chemicals such as acid and bases, heavy metals like lead, mercury, toxic substances. These pollutes rivers and lakes. Second one, sewage and wastewater. Domestic sewage contains organic waste and microorganisms. Untreated sewage pollutes water bodies and spreads waterborne diseases. Third one, agricultural runoff. Water from fields carries fertilizer, pesticides, herbicides. These chemicals contaminate water and cause eutrophication. Fourth one, oil spills. Oil from ships and industries spills into water, forms a layer on water surface. It reduces oxygen supply and harms aquatic life. Fifth one, dumping of garbage. Plastics, chemicals, and solid waste are thrown into water, pollutes water and harms marine life. Sixth one, thermal pollution. Industries release hot water into rivers, rises water temperature. This reduces dissolved oxygen and affects aquatic organisms. Now, summary of the sources of water pollution. Sources of water pollution are natural sources, soil erosion, decay of organic matter, volcanic activities. Human-made sources, industrial waste, sewage, agricultural runoff, oil spills, garbage dumping, thermal pollution. So my dear student, this is all about today's lecture and sources of water pollution. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.